سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهدى يا صاحي كي تستريح.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. This is Fahad Tasleem. What is epistemology? Well, epistemology basically is how you know what you know. It's the study of knowledge. And ourselves as human beings, we use epistemology, or you can say we assign things epistemic values in our day-to-day lives, basically. So as an example, let's assume that your phone goes off and it's your mother. Well, how do you know it's your mother? What, methodology, or how did you come to that conclusion? Well, there's a number of ways you could have found out. Number one, maybe your cell phone said mom on it. Number two, when you pick up the phone, it's actually your mother's voice. And there may be other ways how you've established that is indeed your mother who's calling you. So you know, for instance, that she's in town that week. She's not traveling somewhere. She's not at work, or whatever it may be. So now, almost instantaneously, you've assigned a certain epistemic value to that particular phone call. Well, this idea of epistemic value is something you can assign to a number of things. Inshallah, IERA, the Islamic Education and Research Academy, is bringing a course to the United States called the Eternal Challenge. And in this course, we look at the epistemic value of science, and we compare that to the epistemic value of the Qur'an. And the reason we're going through this is because once we've established what the true epistemic value of science is, and you compare that to the epistemic value of the Qur'an, then when a person is confronted with, hey, there's a scientific fact and it contradicts an ayah in the Qur'an, it doesn't shake the person. Or when someone says, hey, what about evolution? It doesn't shake the person. Because a person has understood the epistemic value of science and has understood the epistemic value of the Qur'an. And as we'll see in the course, the epistemic value of the Qur'an is much, much higher in terms of establishing truth and how we know what we know. Science has its own limitations, it has its own philosophies and biases, and that's what we're going to be exploring in this particular course, the Eternal Challenge. Now this course is coming to the United States. Inshallah, I'm going to be teaching this course. Take the course, and next time someone comes to you with some sort of a doubt or a shubha or some sort of issue, says, hey, what about science and what about this fact or whatever it is, you'll be able to answer that with ease. You'll have, as Hamza Zorsis likes to say, intellectual sakina. So I'll see you there, bi'idhnillah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.
سبيل الدموع سبيل مريح تنهدى يا صاحي كي تستريح.